What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to give y'all a little bit of an update. This is the replacement for Nightider, the 2019 Altima Platinum, the Edition 1 VC Turbo. So back in April, that car got rear-ended pretty bad. I'll put some photos of the damage. And after getting it back, could just tell that the suspension was ignored, and I didn't want to keep that car knowing that the accident had the potential to avoid the extended warranty I had through Nissan on that. So it did end up getting replaced with this brand new 2024 Altima SR VC Turbo. So for 23 plus, this is the top of the line model. This one does have the SR premium package, so it gave it the gray wheels, LED signal mirrors, I believe. It's missing the memory seats I had, a little bit of accent lighting in the door that used to be there and here. A lot of it is carryover though. This one does have the optional illuminated kick plates. A lot of stuff is the same, so that's a good thing. This 19 was really a good car. This one does have the newer 12.3 inch Google based touchscreen. I like the stitching on the seats. Back seats the same. But yeah, we bought this with I think 20 or had 19 miles on the odometer when we got to the dealership, and then when we went on the test drive it had 22 by then. So now we've had it almost 2 months this upcoming Saturday. So we're currently sitting at 3,237 miles, which for 24, that's basically no miles. It's pretty good. Still has the heated seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate control, auto parking brake, auto hold. My favorite thing about these is obviously the VC Turbo engine. But yeah, this is the replacement for the 19. Well guys, I do plan to give y'all an update on the Pathfinder. It's been a year of ownership, so I would like to talk to y'all about that vehicle and how good it has been to me. But just wanted to update y'all on this Altima situation, and I'll definitely be giving y'all content on both. I do plan to get better about uploading. But anyways, thanks for watching this video, quick update video, and I do plan to give y'all a year update review on Pathfinder soon. Thanks for sticking around and watching, subscribing, and peace.